Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple character in Blender, very easy and very simple character in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This is very simple model for beginners who are starting to learn 3D. This is our model, and this is our reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.